Okay, so I just clip this on to here. Okay. Hold on a second. Here. Okay.
How long ago did you get into this?
Well, I've been doing this for a long time now. People usually bring me their bashed up things for me to fix. So that's essentially what I do. There are certain times we need to do the build completely brand new. We have to scrap it down and completely rebuild like new set of Lego.
I'm sorry, were you just doing an accent? Because
What?
you didn't have an accent before.
No.
Are you doing an accent?
I mean, no.
Just then.
I wasn't.
How would you describe your work?
I'm a master Lego instruction follower. I can pretty much build any set with my eyes closed. If I had them open and looking at the instructions that come in the box, then I can pretty much build anything with my eyes closed, pretty much.
I'm sorry, did you say you follow the instructions?
What?
I thought you said you were a master builder. You don't build anything.
I think I'm gonna go. I'll just go.